What is crypto arbitrage trading? Crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price in a decentralized platform. So you can double or triple your capital. Like me, you see my centralized platform is Binance and I'm holding 1,900 USDTs. So this is how you buy your assets. It's only via P2P. You can use any account, but for a decentralized platform, you need to use runquilly.com. And arbitrage actually has been made easier. So you can trade arbitrage two ways. You can buy assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and sell them here at a higher price in a decentralized platform in a manual way, which is P2P arbitrage. And also you can do the same using arbitrage bots. So it is getting more interesting, and you need to watch this and learn on how to trade these things. Make sure you comment in my videos because you might be lucky to get free funding. My bots have been locked, but I'll unlock them in the next video. This is just a tutorial. So let's start with arbitrage bot trading, which we can use this Flash ARB bot. Wow, we've used this a lot. So we'll use Max Arbitrage Pulse bot, which is trading between Binance and Bybit. So in bots, Runquilly is only a broker. We'll say it is just an intermediate. But the platform are Binance and Bybit, and actually the win rate is 158, and it should be trading two pairs. So one, this Matic crypto is in Binance, and USDT is in Bybit. So the bot will run for 30 minutes and expected profit margin is 175.7 and the loss margin is 16.4. As you can see, the minimum you can trade with this bot is only $50. If you can't get a capital of $50, my guys, you have a problem, and you should start trading as soon as now. So this profit margin tells you that if you start with 50, your profit can end up to 150 USDT. So that's why I'm telling you, if you can't afford to risk 50 USDTs, then you have a very big problem. So that is crypto arbitrage trading bots. And now we should be talking about P2P arbitrage, which is arbitrage in manual trading. So I have an unreleased, wow, they will ban my account because I've stayed for long. They might, but luckily I've released the trade that was for yesterday. So as I was saying, you buy assets like here in P2P, 1 USDT can cost you 1.0. So in Kenyan shillings, it is 129, ranges with different countries. So we give that at a rate of 1.0. But in a decentralized platform, you can go and sell, you can see, at even a rate of 1.14. So this 0.14 is your profit. So 0.14 times your capital, that is your profits. Let's make a live example. And remember, as I said, you can receive your assets if you are trading here in an internal wallet, which is your Runquilly, or an external wallet, which is the wallet of your choice. Let's say we are trading with 100. We'll be making a profit of 13 USDTs after P2P fee. But if you are trading with 1,000, so I want to show you the power of big capital, you will make 136 USDTs after P2P fee. So as I was saying, you can trade crypto arbitrage trading and receive your assets here in Runquilly or in your external wallet. So you can receive in Binance, you can receive in OKX, Mexic, and name all those platforms. So if you haven't been watching my videos to the end, make sure you watch this one, you like, and you follow me, and watch the pinned videos. If you have any problem, make sure you comment and I will do a video for you. So that's how we trade crypto arbitrage trading. Never miss this chance.